Hello, so today I'm going to be talking about my family literacy backpack. So here's my backpack that I did. So I sent it to a girl that I work with. She has a 5-year-old son, so I decided to do a dinosaur theme because he loves dinosaurs. So I know we're only supposed to have 3 books, but I ended up doing 4. I threw in, so there's Tyrone the Terrible, poem book, Dinosaur Dinner. I did Catch Me If You Can. And then the last one I did was How Do Dinosaurs Say I Love You? And then I went ahead and my journal, put a little picture of dinosaurs on the front. So my prompt was, let's take a journey. So I said, welcome my friends. I hope you enjoyed reading about dinosaurs this week. I left a dinosaur friend in the backpack for you. I want you to go out on an adventure with him and tell me about what happens. So I put in this dinosaur little figure. So his name's Austin, the boy that took it home, so Austin could take the dinosaur out on an adventure with him. So they went ahead and wrote in their journal. We took the dinosaur, we named him Bob. We took him to dinner. We ate mac and cheese and green beans. He loved my chicken. We took him in the bath and he played in the bubbles. He liked meeting my other dinosaur friends too. So they went ahead and did that and put some stickers in there, which I thought was really cute. One thing that I did get on the critique back from them was to maybe include like a coloring activity or some sort of like a writing something more just to get the kid more engaged. So what they went ahead and did, they had a dinosaur coloring book at home. So they, you can see, they kind of did their own activity and threw it in there as a suggestion. In the backside, he drew their faces, which I thought were really cute. So I thought maybe in the future I can incorporate something like this, maybe do like a coloring assignment or maybe do like a scavenger hunt with them or give them a place to go and take their dinosaur and then they can journal about that. So that was pretty much it for my family backpack. I really had a good time creating this assignment and it was really fun to see their excitement. The family actually sent me photos during the activity, like when they were doing it at home, so that was really neat to see. That's it.